Okay, so the Aptera model arrived today. I love that they have that on there. So I've not opened this, so let's check it out together. This box is really cool. 1/18th scale model launch edition. You can see this kind of upgraded wheel pants with that little ridge there. So pretty cool. So there it is. Well, it's packed to keep it quite safe. As far as my number, 457. Don't care too much about that. I don't need it to match my accelerator number or anything like that. But let's get it out of here. So he's going to pull these. Come out pretty easy. And there's that. So let's see. I believe these come off. Okay, here's that. So it's just a little lip here you have to just pull up and pull back at the same time. Okay. So there's that. So there's kind of the display. Pretty cool. And great detail. It's interesting that these aren't connected, probably so it can move a little bit. It's very minimal movement though. Almost looks like it's so that way you can see is off the ground. That one's a little touching. So someone else is where they could move this. I don't know if that's meant to be moved, but you can kind of see that it's yellow marker there, orange in the back, clear in the middle. Pretty cool. Doors are tricky to get your fingernail in there, but that's all you need. Doesn't take a lot of force, you just have to get your finger in there. In the back too. It's even got the door hinge. It's very small, but you can kind of see the actual hatch or the latch. It's a magnet to kind of keep it shut. There's the back. Quite detailed. The paint job on it's pretty good. I don't see any issues with that. Nice satisfying click when it closes. And this is the certificate of authenticity. These are the screws. Let's try taking that off here. It's my favorite screwdriver. So comes off really easy. So it's kind of held up with some kind of black cover, so it looks like it's more, so it's blended in a bit more. I'll probably keep it on this stand. We'll see. But pretty long screws. Oh. So there's the front spacer. Other front spacer. Yeah, these screws are different, so you want to keep them together, and those are the little bit bigger ones, which is pretty obvious because they're going into the upper part of the car, middle part of the car. So there's the base, no damage. If you want to try that yourself, just kind of hold on to the model so it doesn't fall. Kind of looks like there's some screws there. I don't think it's worth taking it apart that much, but the wheels do turn a little bit. That was pretty good. So it does roll. Like, it's quite a bit of friction. It's not going to go very far. But all the wheels do move. There's just a lot of friction on them for some reason. But yeah, very cool to see. Very impressed. You kind of see the mirrors. Well, kind of two pieces. I would not recommend pulling it by the mirrors. It seems really fragile. You can see the emergency release lever, little orange piece right there. Someone told me the seats, or on the other unboxing, like the seats move. I don't know if I would call that moving, but it flexes. If it doesn't, let's see if it moves forward maybe. No, it's just kind of the flex of the plastic, so I wouldn't say that moves per se. What's in there? Very cool little model. Let's see if these wheels turn a little more. Oh, that's outside. Yeah, I don't think this is designed to move. I wouldn't force it. Yeah, don't force that. But kind of fun. Let me see if I can get some other shots for you, and then kind of call this. It's got a nice weight to it. Solar panels are really nicely showcased there. I don't know if you have any questions. Pretty happy with it.